Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew, and today we are going to be deboxing the TCL 55-inch Ultra HD 4K TV, otherwise known as the biggest TV box ever. Got the corner shot. All right, so let's start by taking off the little safety straps. All right, and then I believe all you do is you just pull this guy off. We're gonna run out of sealing. This isn't quite gonna work. We don't need the box, right? Pretty sure this is definitely not the proper way to do this. All right, so, that's the front safety cover so you don't break the precious glass. You got the leg, the other leg, manual, TV remote, and some audio jacks. And let's get the cover off. That is really thin. There we go. Now you can see how thin it really is. And let's put the legs on real quick. Go ahead and undo the other one. Then after that is done, get the fun part of picking it back up. It's as big as the entire screen. On the back here you have two HDMI, a Ethernet port, HDMI ARC port, a USB, an AV, an audio out, and your cable in. And then on the other side you have your AC adapter, your standard mountain bracket. Oh, this has Roku built in too. That's fancy. Got Netflixing, Hulu, Stars, and Roku. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below for anything you'd like to see us do. And make sure you hit the subscribe button followed by the little bell icon so you can stay updated whenever we post new videos.